Have we got you covered on short, concise trainings? Over 60, yep, you heard that right, over 60 training videos on all things regarding Paragon and other MLS products. Want to know where to find these short videos on the Bay East website? Follow me. In your browser, go to www.bayeast.org. Once at the bayeast.org website, point your mouse to Education and then click on E-Learning. That's where you'll find those over 60 short training videos in our Grab and Go Learning section. You will notice that once on this page, all of those videos have been categorized under these various headings, such as Getting Started, the Home page, Search, and on and on. So let's say you're interested in getting additional help on searching. Click the category Search, and here you will find a variety of videos that will help you with just the question you have, such as, how do you save a search? Click this short video and train yourself on how to do that on Paragon. What about the hot sheet? You've had questions on that. Now you've got a short video that will help you out. What about if you wanted more information about managing your contacts or your listings? Well, here we have a category called Manage Listings. Again, click the category title, and then you will see all of the videos associated with managing your listings, such as, how do you recall a partially saved listing? Or how do you change the price on your listing? So check out all of these informative videos in this section and all of the other sections that are available. Don't forget, go online to the bayeast.org website and check out all these great short training videos on the e-learning page. Have fun learning more about Paragon and all the other MLS functions. Thanks for watching.